Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start our writing section and we will start with notice writing. In this video we will learn what is a notice, what are the key points to write an effective notice. Next, what is the format for writing notice, and last one is an example which will help you to write another notice. So let us start. So first of all, what is a notice? It is a written or a printed piece of information targeted for a specific group of people. ये एक रिटन या प्रिंटेड इंफॉर्मेशन है जो कि एक टारगेटेड ग्रुप के लिए, स्पेसिफिक पीपल के लिए हम नोटिस बोर्ड पे लिखते हैं. इट यूजुअली कवर्स एन इवेंट, एन इनॉग्रेशन, अ फंक्शन and journal instructions. In our last class, we had learned how to write a notice for a lost or found article. Today, we will learn how to write a notice about an upcoming event. So, there are some key points that we have to keep in our mind while writing a notice. The ideal length of notice is 50 words. So only relevant points needs to be addressed. Notice की जो length है normally 50 words होती है, इसलिए सिर्फ relevant points ही लिखे जाने चाहिए. Present notice in proper format. Notice को proper format में लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Try to write notice in indirect speech or passive voice only. कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि हम जब नोटिस लिख रहे हैं तो उसे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में या पैसिव वॉइस में ही लिखें. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज फॉर्मेट ऑफ नोटिस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू राइट अ नोटिस इन अ बॉक्स. देन नेम ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल बी इन मिडल. आफ्टर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन we will write notice in capital letters. On left side, we will write date of notice. Then title followed by salutation and body. In the last of the notice, on left hand side, we have to write signatures, name and designation of the concerned authority. Next is body of notice. While writing body of notice, we have to answer some questions. First is what? Means what is the event? When is the event? Where is the event? For whom? Means this event is for whom? What is to be done? If they are interested, what has to be done by them? Whom to contact? If they want some extra information or have some queries, to whom will they contact? So while writing notice, these questions have to be answered. Let us go through an example. Suppose you are Rashmi Agarwal, the monitor of your class. मान लीजिए आप रश्मि अग्रवाल हैं, अपनी क्लास के मॉनिटर. योर स्कूल टैगोर पब्लिक स्कूल इलाहाबाद इज गोइंग टू ऑर्गेनाइज क्लास पिकनिक. आपका स्कूल टैगोर पब्लिक स्कूल इलाहाबाद एक पिकनिक ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है. राइट अ नोटिस इन अबाउट 50 वर्ड्स फॉर योर क्लास नोटिस बोर्ड इनवाइटिंग योर क्लासमेट्स टू जॉइन द पिकनिक. 50 वर्ड्स में एक नोटिस लिखना है अपनी क्लास के नोटिस बोर्ड के लिए, अपने क्लासमेट्स को पिकनिक के लिए इन्वाइट करना है, जिसमें इंक्लूड द फॉलोइंग इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये इन्फॉर्मेशन उसमें होनी चाहिए नोटिस में. प्लेस ऑफ पिकनिक, कि पिकनिक कहाँ है. चार्जेस, कितने फंड्स हैं इसके लिए देने पड़ेंगे जो. डेट एंड टाइमिंग, किस डेट को और किस टाइम पे है. एंड लास्ट डेट टू डिपॉजिट मनी, और किस लास्ट डेट तक हम मनी डिपॉजिट करवा सकते हैं. सो लेट अस लुक एट द सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स. Then name of organization which was given in our question, Tagore Public School Allahabad. After that, notice. Left side we are going to write date. Students, please follow this format for writing date. Next is title, that is Picnic to Badkhal Lake. After that, salutation. Friends. After salutation, we will start our body. You will be pleased to know that the school is organizing a picnic to Badkhal Lake for our class on 16th September. See, 3 questions have been answered. What? Picnic. When? 16th September. Where? To Badkhal Lake. The class will leave at 6 am and return by 7 pm. Those who are interested to join the picnic, should deposit rupees 300 each. What should they do? Deposit rupees 300 each with the undersigned. To whom? With the undersigned. Latest by 14th September. After that, on left hand side, signatures, name of issuing authority and his or her designation. Here we have written signatures of Rashmi, after that Rashmi Agarwal, and then her designation. Students, a notice has to be very neat and clean. No scribbling is acceptable. So if you have any confusion while writing notice, so draft it in rough first and then write your fair one. Okay, I hope now there is no confusion regarding notice writing. I'm forwarding you some examples. Please go through them.